How to put a password on YouTube on Samsung TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to put a password or restrict access to YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV so kids or others can't use it without your permission. Important notice: Samsung TVs don't have a direct password lock for YouTube, but you can restrict access using parental controls, app lock, or by signing out of your YouTube account. Step 1. Use Samsung TV's parental controls. Press the home button on your remote. Go to Settings, Broadcasting, Program Rating Lock Settings. Enter your PIN, default is 0000. Turn on Program Rating Lock and set restrictions for apps. If YouTube is listed, lock it. Step 2. Lock YouTube app if supported. Go to Apps Settings, gear icon in top right corner. Scroll to YouTube. Select Lock/Unlock. Enter your PIN to lock the app. Now YouTube will require a PIN to open. Step 3. Use YouTube Restricted Mode optional. Open the YouTube app. Go to Settings, Restricted Mode. Turn it on to block mature content. This doesn't lock the app, but helps with content filtering. Step 4. Sign out of YouTube, Manual Access Control. Open the YouTube app. Go to your account icon, Settings, Sign Out. This prevents others from accessing your account preferences or history. Step 5. Change the Samsung TV PIN optional. Go to Settings, General System Manager, Change PIN. Set a secure PIN to control app locks and parental settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped you lock or restrict YouTube access on your Samsung TV, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tutorials.